What stood out to you then in terms of the resilience or the lack of resilience across these corporations?
Well, competition really heats up these days, the way I see it. So it is ever more difficult to stay on top of the ranking. And second thing we notice is across all industry, whether it is FMCG, fast consumer goods, all the way to auto or banking, every one of these sectors feels like a technology sector these days.
Interesting. And you're talking, how close is the correlation between innovation and success? Because there's a risk for these companies as well. They have to play catch up. They have to be seen to be reacting to the AI revolution. There's a capex spend there. There's a lot of uncertainty in terms of how you actually implement these models and these products and the layering that goes on, how you get the teams across your corporations to integrate this stuff. There's a risk, clearly. Is there a link? Is there a clear link between innovation and success at the corporate level?
Absolutely. But one needs to be careful to keep an eye on the bottom line at the same time. So at IMD, the way we think about becoming future ready is you do a 360 assessment, almost like an MRI scanning patient, but this time it's scanning the health of the business. So you need to looking at the near-term profit growth, revenue growth, cash and debt ratio to make sure they have a fortress balance sheet, just like JP Morgan Chase, Jamie Dimon would talk about. Meanwhile, they invest aggressively in the future, R&D spend, new innovation, whether they could scale this new innovation or not. So that's the approach you could assess companies these days.
There's a couple of big names that stand out from this report, Howard. I'll zoom in on rather unexpectedly, of course, Tesla. Look, that top of the list for you, interesting in terms of the EV space. On some levels, not surprising, but on other levels, it is surprising. We know they've been cutting prices. They're challenged in the Chinese market. We know EV growth is slowing. The stock is down about 30% year to date. How sustainable is the leadership at Tesla and their ability to continue to invest at this level on things like R&D?
Well, your observation is spot on, Tom, because for the last few years, Tesla advantage is just unparalleled. This year, for the first time, its advantage is basically almost completely eroded, except for perhaps AI. What we are seeing in the report is BYD and other car players, in terms of the relative score, they really have improved dramatically this year, meaning the top has been crowded out. The biggest implication is the smaller player, the lower on our ranking, they become increasingly vulnerable. Because after all, that EV transition and AI and software requires so much capex investment. If you're not big enough, it's very hard to make that transition.